Pizza farms in Wisconsin. In this presentation, we'll explore Wisconsin's unique pizza farms. Discover how these farms combine local ingredients and creativity to craft exceptional pizzas, supporting sustainable agriculture. Pizza farms in Wisconsin. Grassways Organics becomes a pizza haven on weekends with delicious pies. Located in East Troy, it offers up to 400 pizzas on Fridays and Saturdays during the summer. Ingredients like meats and cheeses come straight from the farm. It's all run by Megan and Chaz Self. Mapleton Barn collaborates with Flour Girl and Flame for pizzas in Oconomowoc. They partner with a Milwaukee-based team for local toppings. The pizzas offer a unique taste, featuring a sweet, chewy base with honey. A mobile oven enhances this delightful flavor. Pizza farms in Wisconsin. A Tazid Produce and Bakery in Stockholm, Wisconsin, is credited with originating the pizza farm concept. Owners Ted Fisher and Robbie Bannon built a brick oven to utilize excess produce. This idea, started over 25 years ago, inspired a regional movement. After more than 2 decades of success, they've retired. Amid pandemic restaurant closures, pizza farms emerged as a unique dining experience. Open fields allowed safer dining. The appeal of oven-baked pizzas attracted many. Originally a survival tactic, it evolved into a thriving, innovative business model. Emphasizing the bond between great food and healthy soil, pizza farms build community through local education. By sourcing sustainable ingredients, they strengthen local agriculture. Their open-air designs proved perfect for pandemic-era dining. These farms uniquely blend farming with culinary excellence, highlighting a promising business model. This pizza farm sources its ingredients directly from the farm and collaborates with Flour Girl and Flame, crafting pizzas with a sweet, chewy base finished with honey. Originating the pizza farm concept 25 years ago, it thrived during the pandemic. It promotes the link between good food, good soil, and seasonal eating.